This morning at about 4:40 a.m., officers were sent to an address on Northwest 7th reference a woman shot in the head with a BB gun. When officers arrived, they found the 35-year-old woman lying on the ground in front of the residence. She was transported to the hospital. Officers learned that 4 adults were having a small get-together at Blake Rule's residence when Blake got upset with the victim for disrespecting him. He told her to leave. She walked outside with her female roommate, and he slammed the door on them. The victim then banged on the door for several minutes. When Blake opened, he shot her 1 time in the forehead with the pellet gun. She turned to run, and he fired 3 more times at the back of her head. 1 pellet lodged under the skin of her forehead, and 3 other pellets lodged in the back of her head. She was treated and released at the hospital and later lodged on 2 outstanding misdemeanor warrants. Blake Rule was lodged in jail for second-degree assault. We do